Why do some projects hit deadlines but still fail? Because delivery is not the same as direction. That is where governance makes the difference. PRINCE2 builds governance directly into the project structure, ensuring every decision, every stage, and every risk is properly controlled and justified. Let's break down how. Key aspects of the role of governance in PRINCE2. Defined roles and accountability. Strong governance begins with defined authority. PRINCE2 assigns responsibility at every level. Direction comes from the project board. Value is guarded by the executive, and benefits and feasibility are represented at senior level. When roles are clear, control becomes natural. Structured decision-making. Control comes through staged progression. PRINCE2 breaks the project into manageable phases. After each one, leadership evaluates results, risks, and remaining value. If it still makes sense, it continues. If not, it stops. That discipline protects time, cost, and focus. Controlled environment. PRINCE2 ensures control without constant supervision. Clear performance limits are agreed across time, cost, scope, and risk. If everything remains within range, the project moves forward. If not, the issue is raised for decision. This keeps delivery disciplined and focused. Alignment with business strategy. In PRINCE2, projects exist to serve strategy. The business case is continuously reviewed. If the project stops supporting business objectives, it can be closed. No project continues just because it started. Progress must justify purposes. Risk and issue management. PRINCE2 does not leave risk to chance. Every risk and issue is recorded, assessed, and monitored. Leadership has full transparency. That structured awareness protects delivery from disruption. Governance ensures projects deliver value, not just outputs. Without governance, projects move. With governance, they move in the right direction. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy official channel for more insights on PRINCE2, project governance, and professional certification guidance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.